Tonight at 6, an NBC4 I-Team investigation. Are there COVID-19 cases at your favorite restaurants? LA County health officials announcing today that they will soon start releasing the names of restaurants that have had outbreaks there. I-Team investigator Joel Grover has been exposing problems with restaurant cleanliness for some 2 decades now. Joel, you can't dine in at restaurants, so you have to wonder, is the county taking this new step because there's a concern about the safety of the food we're taking out?
Well, Robert, let me say right from the start, health officials believe takeout food is safe to eat right now. And so do other experts contacted by the I-Team. The naming of these restaurants with outbreaks appears to be an effort to be transparent with the public during this pandemic. It's one of LA's top restaurants, Osteria Mozza, but it closed down its takeout service last month when its owner, Nancy Silverton, seen here on YouTube, tested positive for the coronavirus. Now the health department will start releasing the names of any restaurant with 5 or more employees who've tested positive.
If you're known to be positive for COVID-19, we are very clear that you should not be preparing or serving food.
Health officials today said again they believe takeout food is very safe to eat during this pandemic. But on social media, there's been a growing call from a nervous public to disclose restaurants with employees who test positive.
I am a firm believer in transparency.
Bill Marler, one of the nation's top food safety attorneys, has won multi-million-dollar settlements against big restaurant chains.
The public has a right to know about ill employees, whether it's COVID, whether it's hepatitis A, E. coli, salmonella.
I like to wear multiple layers.
LA area restaurants are now taking extreme precautions to stay safe, like Bakery on West 3rd Street. Employees who prepare takeout food wash their hands 20 or more times a day. They wear masks and gloves and even sanitize takeout containers. All this even though the owner says no one here has tested positive.
We actually go above and beyond what the state and county guidelines tell us to do.
With precautions like that, health experts say consumers shouldn't worry.
Is there any real risk that a worker can pass on this virus through food?
There's no evidence whatsoever that COVID getting into food will make someone sick. You have to breathe it in, you have to get it into your lungs, that's how you get sick.
I do think it's safe. I think people can continue to safely pick up and take out from your favorite restaurants.
The health department didn't say exactly when it will start releasing the names of restaurants with outbreaks. Dr. Ferrer said today they are just finalizing some last-minute details, probably early next week. Robert?
And Joel, so many want to be supportive, but they are still worried about getting takeout food. Does the health department have any recommendations of precautions we can take?
Several health experts that the I-Team spoke with say the same thing. When you get those takeout containers and you transfer the food onto plates, throw the containers away, wash your hands very thoroughly, sanitize the counter where the takeout containers were sitting, and you should be good. Back to you.
Always good advice. Joel Grover, thank you.